as a trade as possible. As look out, your leader just took a huge tumble down the back straightaway, Jonathan Cornell.
Paul Kinney and Larry White share the front row for this one as we look it's turn 22 and red lights are on.
Out of Yorba Linda, California, the black number 2, the big game hunter, it's 25-year-old Austin Williams. John Jory owns a Spike chassis with a Shaver engine, sponsored by John Jory Corporation, AMA Plastics, Passau. Over. And we go red. That's
4 fit this second. Dietrich leads lap 1. Problems on the front stretch. And the red flag will come out.
Goes Michael Duncan goes low and slides up the racetrack. Duncan leads the field into turn 3 and 4. Off for turn number 4. Lap number 1 to the red flag. Jack Hodenshield. Down to the inside of the racetrack to avoid a race car. Coming out right there. Red flag, Cap Henry. Violent roll off of turn number 2, Cap Henry. 4 laps to go for Cole Duncan. Oh my! Oh, red flag! Red flag, leader Cole Duncan.
Trying to get past Adam King. The lap car will come into this. Sutherland got to get back on the island. Oh, Walker! Lisa Walker has upended. And if we look to the racetrack, you can see it.